Hey racers, how's it going? My name is Austin Fishfarner over here at SCI Distribution, and we wanted to put together a couple videos to show you some of the key components on the RZR Factory Pro R vehicle. On the RZR Pro R Factory, there's two different engine options. One option is a stock engine similar to the Recreation Pro R. That is a 225 horsepower option. However, we do offer an HO high output option that is 255 horsepower. We're able to get that extra horsepower out of the engine by decking the head, having some forged race pistons in it, along with a different cam and of course a different tune on the engine. Now that engine does require the use of race gas. We run VP C10 in Mexico, and we run VP UTV 96 when racing in the US. So those are the two options for the engine in the RZR Factory Pro R.